Well guys, as you guys can see, there was an ambulance. Fortunately, one of the cars, really high horsepower cars, one of the really high horsepower cars hit the wall. So they're Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jorge, and today I have something very awesome to tell you guys and show you guys, actually, because today, as you guys can see, it is pretty dry out here. The streets are dry and the clouds don't really look like very promising, but the weather has said that it's gonna be a dry evening. And so what does that mean? That means that I get a chance to take the G8 back to the track. That's right guys, we are taking the G8 back to the track, and we are gonna see what this car can finally do without a blown hole in one of the rubber couplers. Now, my ultimate goal is to run a low 11-second quarter mile. Now, if I can do a 10-second, 10.99 even, I'll be extremely excited. But I don't think it will. I mean, on just 12 pounds of boost, it's going to be very difficult. Like I said, the car peaks out at 12 pounds of boost. It runs around 8 to 10 for the most of the run. So it should run really well, I hope. But this time, without a hole, fingers crossed, no other issues, hopefully we can run that low 11-second pass and then turn this thing up and put a smaller pulley in there and really crank up the boost. So let's hope this weather holds up and it stays dry and we can get a couple runs in. But I'm excited guys. I've been waiting for a while. This weather's been horrible. Been raining non-stop. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get you guys a nice cold start. Boy, does that sound amazing. Woo! That is awesome. I love it. I love it. So what do you guys think? Let me go ahead and kind of get away from that, get away from the noise. Oh, whew. Listen to that chop. Oh man. That sounds so good. So while we're letting the car warm up here, I want to comment down below. What do you think she'll run? Will it be the same 11.6 as before, or will it be a low 11, possibly high 10? Comment down below. Write down what you guys think. 11.2, 11.1, 11.3. Let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully we get to run some good times. So for now, I'm gonna let the car warm up, and then we'll see you guys at the track. Well guys, we made it to the track, and it's very dry and very loud.
Our mop and glow team's getting pretty busy right there on the starting line.
We made it. It is dry. The sky looks great. Looks clear.
So this is a great time to go.
Looks like good weather. The weather's fresh. It looks good, and the car is getting ready. Got everything. I'm gonna let it cool down. Let the Pro Charger's nice and warm. Let that cool down. Everything looks really good. So
hats, t-shirts, koozies.
Wish us luck guys. Hopefully everything goes well.
Away from Christmas.
Looks like somebody had some issues up in the track, so they got the lanes closed. So that's good. That'll give us some time to cool down. And it is nice and empty. Perfect perfect times to try to get some good times out here. So I'm gonna let the car cool down, and I'll catch you guys whenever we get it running and get on the track. Alright guys, so
October's got a lot of stuff, and it all kicks off next Saturday.
letting my car cool down, and
so Friday night schedules is where
this is the second stoppage that they do. The first one, a Corvette destroyed his rear end right there on the launch, and the second one, somewhere down that line, a truck also spilled a couple bit of fluids. But I mean, what can you do? At least I'm not waiting in line, and today's pretty relatively empty, so there's very little line, and I should be able to just go up whenever I want. So for now, just
come out, hang out, and
relax, let them clean up the track, and probably after this is cleaned up, I'll be getting in the car and trying my first run. The weather is really good, so hopefully, fingers crossed, and the car will run really well. Well guys, as you guys can see, there was an ambulance. Fortunately, one of the high horsepower cars hit the wall, so they're cleaning that. But while that was happening, the rain is starting to come, so I'm gonna try to get one run in, and hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully it's a really good one. So hopefully it stays just a light little drizzle, but guys, whew, I'm telling you, it's coming. Well guys, I hate to say it, but the weather got to us. It started sprinkling right when I was about to, get in the drag staging lanes, and well, I was not able to get a run in. I wish I could have shown you guys some better content, actually gotten the run. I felt like today's weather would have been great, and this car would have done really well. I had a great time as while as it lasted, but they did give us a rain check, so as soon as this weather clears up, I promise you guys, I will be going back to the track, and we will be running this thing. There's not much else I can say, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, because I will be going back and to the track and getting this run in for sure soon, as soon as I can get it. But for now, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day, a great evening, and I guess until next time, guys, see you guys later.